Hello, good morning to everyone. Today in this video we'll see each setting in the phone dialer app. First of all, this is the default dialer app on my Android mobile, which is Google dialer app. See here, this is the Google dialer app. See, when I try to call someone, immediately you can see this profile picture on the top of the screen, the full screen. This is because it has lot of settings. So we'll see each one by one. Open your dialer app, and at the top left you'll see 3 bars. Tap on this, then click on settings. Here we'll see all these options one by one. I'll explain. Caller ID and spam. When you receive some networking calls, promotional calls, as this is enabled, okay, this is enabled, you'll receive some tag like spam here on top of the number when you're receiving the incoming number. Spam or promotional call, you'll see. Accessibility is for this specially abled people. See, when you receive a call, on the screen, whatever is on the screen, all the things will be read aloud, so that it will be something assistant. Okay, assisted dialing, this one, second one, this is specially when you are traveling abroad, out of your country. See here, assisted dialing predicts and adds a country code when you call while traveling abroad. So this is when you go to the other countries. Okay, blocked numbers, you already know. If you block any number, all the list will be available here. Calling accounts. Okay, calling accounts. So phone vibrates when outgoing call is accept. Okay, this is all everyone knows. If this is enabled, this calling account, see, if this is enabled, when you're calling your friend, if the other persons accept the call, your phone will vibrate once. Okay, that is calling accounts. Call recording, you see, call recording is when the other person accepts the call. See, for example, I'm calling a person. When you click on this more options here, there is a option called record here, right? But if you record that here in Google dialer, the other person will be notified that this call being recorded. That is call recording option. So if you enable this option, automatically without you pressing the record, automatic records will be happening. Automatic call recording is there, right? If you enable this. So I'm not enabling this. If you want automatic call recording of every number, you can enable this option. Okay, next, display options. See, this is the theme, only dark theme or light theme available. You can keep it to system. That's it. Few other apps will have some themes like colors and everything, but this has only 2 options. Incoming call gesture. When you receive a call, you'll swipe like this, right? Accept or reject, or else you can use single tap also. When you receive a call, you can just tap and accept the call, but now I'm using the horizontal swipe, means accept like this or reject like this. Okay, quick responses. So sometimes in the traffic you may not respond to a call in the time. If you can use this option like call you later or something, like you can write your own message here. Okay, I'm not editing any of those. And sound and vibration, you can change the ringtone, like phone ringtone, you can keep it to some other. Okay, you can add a contact specific, means say for example, for a particular contact you want particular ringtone, you can keep it. Okay, next, voicemail. If you enable this, when the other person calls you, if you're unable to take that call, the other person can send a voice message. Okay, so that later you can hear the message, what the other person is trying to tell you and what is the call about. Contact ringtones, this is the same. For each contact you can set a different ringtone. You can select a contact. Okay, so from next time when this person calls, this is the ringtone which will I receive. Okay, calling code is what I said, right? when the other person call you, you can see the full picture of the other person. Say for example, I am choosing this dummy contact, and I can open my gallery and choose a photo. Yeah, see here, I just clicked on the gallery. Say for example, if I keep this, okay, I can keep it and I can click on done, right? Whenever I call this person next time, this will be the screen. Okay, caller ID announcement, this is one of the good feature. Say for example, if I keep it to always, whenever I receive a call, it will announce. So when someone is calling you, means some of your friend like Rahul, Suresh, or whatever it may be, they are calling you. Okay, flip to silence, this is simple. When you keep your phone like this, your phone will be silent when the phone is ringing. Currently this is not enabled. See here, I didn't enable this, but if I enable this, whenever I receive a call, if I keep it my phone like this, that will be in silent. So these are the phone settings. I explained each and everything. I hope you like this video, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.